Hello and welcome to our video on the first law of power. Never outshine the master. This law is all about navigating relationships with those in positions of authority and managing your own ego in the process. In this video, we'll explain the first law of power and give you tips on how to use this law effectively. Explanation of the first law of power. The first law of power is all about understanding the delicate balance between managing your own ego and being respectful of those in positions of authority. In essence, this law states that you should never try to outshine your master or make them feel inferior in any way. Doing so can be seen as a threat to their power and may cause them to feel insecure or threatened. However, this doesn't mean that you should be submissive or passive. Rather, it's about being strategic in how you present yourself and your ideas. By being mindful of your own behavior and focusing on supporting the goals and objectives of your superiors, you can build strong relationships and advance your own career goals in a responsible and ethical manner. Number 1, be mindful of your behavior in social situations. When you're in a social situation with your boss or a potential client, it's important to let your boss take the lead and shine in the conversation. This means avoiding the urge to impress the client with your own ideas and instead focusing on making sure your boss gets the credit for any successful outcomes. Number 2, watch your language and tone. Avoid using language that is confrontational or aggressive, and always be respectful of your superiors. By doing so, you can avoid coming across as overbearing or disrespectful. Number 3, build a strong relationship with your superiors. By focusing on making your superiors look good and supporting their goals, you can build trust and respect with them. This can lead to more opportunities for advancement and career growth. Number 4, be a team player. Being a team player is an important part of the first law of power. When you work well with others and contribute to the success of the team, you show your superiors that you are a valuable asset to the organization. Number 5, learn from your superiors. Those in positions of authority often have a wealth of knowledge and experience that you can learn from. By being respectful and attentive to your superiors, you can gain valuable insights and improve your own skills and expertise. Number 6, don't be afraid to speak up. While it's important to be respectful of those in positions of authority, it's also important to speak up when necessary. If you have ideas or suggestions that can benefit the organization, don't be afraid to share them. Just be sure to do so in a respectful and tactful manner. The first law of power, never outshine the master, is an important law to understand and apply effectively. By being mindful of your own behavior and focusing on supporting the goals and objectives of your superiors, you can build strong relationships and advance your own career goals in a responsible and ethical manner. We hope you found this video helpful. And be sure to subscribe for more videos on the 48 laws of power.